Let's talk about deletion. I added 2 records here. And I don't want like them. I want to delete them, 6 and 7. Now, before I talk about delete, I want to remind you, be careful of delete. And because you might delete everything, so I'll show you how to not delete everything. So we're going to say delete from, and then you see the table name. In this case, customers. Now, if I say like this, delete from customers, everything will be deleted, all the rows. So be careful using this. So you always want to put a where there to narrow it down to one thing usually. Okay, let's say I want to delete from customers where the customer ID is 6, because I don't like 6, I don't want 7. So I can do here customer ID is 6. This is the most common way of deleting, right? By the ID. And the safest thing to do, right, is just delete one record if it exists. So if I do that, it's gone. The row with the customer ID 6 is gone. Now I could also delete my other columns. For example, I don't want 7, right? I could say last name long, but I have to be careful. This is not good. Okay, I'm telling you about this just for practice, but usually this is not a good thing because there could be other people named long, right? So if I meant to just delete Anna here, this very unique row, and there were other people's named long, they would also be deleted. So be very careful. You usually just want to delete by the ID. That's the safest way, because you just delete one thing because the ID is unique, right? Primary key, there's only one row of that ID.